I'm excited, I'm a little nervous, but honestly, it's nice having everyone that worked on the project here today because it has been a labor of love for a lot of people, but I can't tell you how excited I am because it's amazing. It's truly amazing that something like this can come to Western Oklahoma and make such a strong impact and be so well supported by the community and the students. It's amazing. I think what makes this arena stand out the most is that it's not designed in the traditional style. It's a stacked design style. So our students, rather than facing their competitors on the first floor, we have two separate floors for those competitors. That adds a little drama and a little dynamic to the whole space and the whole competition. That's going to make things really exciting for students when they get here in the fall. My plans are to get this up and running so students can enjoy it. We've got a program based on wellness because this isn't just let's have fun. This is let's get students engaged on campus in a new and exciting way where we've never had it before. You know, we have traditional athletics, which is amazing because it does all this wonderful work getting students connected to campus in new ways. This is another way where our students can get connected for those that may not be a basketball player or be a football player, but they have skills in another area. That's my long-term goal, to see these students get professional jobs, develop professional skills that they can take into the esports industry in a number of different areas.